Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in class we were talking about the idea of toxic positivity, insisting on good vibes only and always being relentlessly positive in a way that stops other people from feeling that it's okay to sometimes be angry or sad or upset or whatever. I mentioned in one of the discussions that when I'm in a particularly foul mood and I'm ranting and raving about something that I've seen on the TV or read about in the news, my wife knows better than to try and calm me down. She basically just leaves me to it, lets me let off steam, and then later, when I'm fine, she probably might ask, what was I so angry about? If you say that someone knows better than to do something, you mean they're not stupid enough to do this thing. They're smart enough to know that it's not a good idea to do this thing. So maybe if your boss has a particularly bad temper, you probably know better than to get in the boss's way when he's in a really foul mood. Last week, my son managed to lock himself out of the house and had to sit on the doorstep for 45 minutes waiting for me to come back. When I got back, I told him, God, you're 13 now. You should know better than to go out without a set of keys. Maybe you have a child who's only 5 or 6, but they're already quite smart and they know better than to run off without you. And sometimes when I'm talking to students of mine or chatting to friends online, I comment that they really ought to know better than to share things they see on TikTok as news. They ought to know better than to believe everything they see on social media. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. It helps other people find out about us. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use know better than to